Morning everyone, and welcome to today's morning market. So today we focus in on the recent moves in the oil price and what is our take on this. Okay, so let's look at how the oil price has moved in recent days. And on the chart, you can see that the oil price over the last week has fallen from around about $76 per barrel. This is for Brent, down to around about $72 per barrel today. But actually looking over the longer term, you can see that the oil price has been falling probably from around about April time, where we saw the price at around about $91 per barrel overall. But let's just focus in on what's been happening very, very recently. Now, what we saw yesterday is news that Saudi Arabia are potentially considering to remove their unofficial price target for oil production. So this is a way that would enable them to take market share from other oil producers. So for those that don't know, Saudi Arabia has an unofficial oil price target of $100 per barrel. What did we see yesterday? And yesterday was quite an interesting day when you actually look at what happened within the oil market overall. So the oil price actually opened up positively on the day. And what you saw is signs of firmer fuel demand come through from the United States, and also falling inventories coming through in the US. And the US is the world's top oil consumer overall. So that helped lift up the oil price. But then the news around Saudi Arabia brought the price down overall. But what else has been happening within the oil market? Actually quite a bit. If we look at what's been happening within Libya, so there's signs of returns of Libya to the oil market overall. So what we saw is delegates from the divided Libya East and West agreed on the process of appointing a central bank manager. So what could that do? Well, that could help resolve the crisis over control over the country's oil revenue and its disrupted exports. Now, clearly there are a lot of factors at play in respect of the oil price, and it's a function of supply and demand. One thing we can say is the oil price is significantly lower than where we were earlier in the year overall, and that is starting to be factored into things such as petrol prices overall. I think, looking forward, we've seen more supply come on stream potentially from Libya, from Saudi Arabia, and we've got a higher demand coming through from China, and whether that's with the stimulus that Matt talked about yesterday starting to pervade through the economy overall. So again, a slightly odd combination there, in that you're seeing more supply come on stream, which would normally push the price down. But also you've seen the potential for higher demand, which will also push that price up as well. So again, just a lot of different factors at play in respect of the oil price. But what have we got for you later today? So today is all about central bank speakers, and we have the Fed Chair, Chairman Powell, speaking this afternoon in the US, and we also have the ECB President, Christine Lagarde, speaking this afternoon. And from there, that will be a way that there may be some potential nuggets that we can take that will give us a little bit more information around central bank policy moving forwards. Please do tune in to the Week in Markets, whereby we'll give you more information on everything that's happened in the week, but also particularly what happened this afternoon. Thank you very much.
This video is not a recommendation or personal financial advice. With investing, your capital is at risk. Investments can fluctuate in value, and you may get back less than you invest.